Hello and welcome to Online Appliance Tech. Today we're going to show you how to operate the settings on your Whirlpool refrigerator display. Okay, let's show you how to adjust the temperature. Hold the temperature button down till it counts down. Once counted down, you'll be in the temperature setting mode. Press up and down to adjust your temperature. Once you've selected the temperature you desire, press the save button. So to adjust the freezer, you'll go back into the mode, and then you'll select the zone, and then once you select freezer, you'll go up and down to select the desired temperature. Press save, and that's how you adjust your temperature. Here you will press the Ascent light button to turn the dispenser light on and off. And here's the button you press for the cube, crush, and water. Okay, this is the lock. This is how you lock your display if you don't want the little ones to be pressing buttons when you're not at home and so forth. And to deactivate, you just hold it down until it counts down again. Here you're going to hold the lock and measure to turn off the fridge. This completely turns off the whole unit. Sometimes these two buttons could be pressed accidentally and you do have to turn it back on, so basically just hold the same buttons down and it will turn back on the refrigerator. Press the temperature button once to activate the Ascent ice. This basically makes the fan run at a faster rate to make faster ice. Press again to deactivate. To reset the water filter, you have to hold the temperature and settings down at the same time as it counts down. There you go. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe for more future tips and videos. Have a good day.